Locked out of your Microsoft account? Don't worry! Let's reset your password in just a few easy steps. First, go to the Microsoft account login page. Click on Forgot Password below the password field. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Choose how you want to receive the security code, email or SMS. Enter the code you received in the prompt. This step secures your account and confirms your identity. Now, create a new password. Make it strong, mix letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Finally, log in with your new password. Celebrate! You successfully regained access to your account. Remember to store your new password safely. Consider using a password manager for ease in the future. If you encounter further issues, visit Microsoft support for additional guidance. That's it. Now you know how to reset your password with ease. Stay safe and secure online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might need help resetting their password. Happy computing! Stay tuned for more informative videos tailored for enhancing your digital experience.